Welcome to another Meditate with me. I thought in this session we will focus on simply our breath, our body, and then expand our awareness to noticing whatever's happening. It could be thoughts, emotions, it could be sounds around us. So just let yourself be comfortable. You may choose to sit or lie down. You can also stand. And just for a moment, notice your body position, whether you're sitting or lying down, standing, how it's supported by the chair, by the surface you're on, whether you're comfortable, warm. And if you feel comfortable and it feels good to you, you can close your eyes for this meditation. It just helps us to turn inwards. But you can also keep your eyes open, just letting the gaze be soft and relaxed and not staring into anything too intensely. And just starting taking some deep breaths, just to settle. Just to come to presence, leave the past in the past, and be in the here and now. And as you take these deep breaths, you may also choose to notice where it's easiest to detect the breathing. Can you feel it in your nostrils, in the throat? And perhaps in the movement of the chest and belly. Or even your whole body moving, inflating and deflating with each breath. Just softly and gently notice. Once you find a place where it's easy to follow the breath, you can rest your attention there for a bit. Just focusing on the breathing. Breathing in and out. No need to control it. Just following the breath in the way that's easiest for you. For some of us, it may not be pleasant to follow the breath, and in that case, you can shift attention to other sensations. Sensations in your feet or hands, or other pleasant feelings in the body. Or even just listening to the sounds for a bit. The purpose is to just simply focus attention on one activity and let the body relax and the mind calm down. So just practice concentration on the breath, body sensations or sounds for a little bit in silence. You may quickly notice that your mind has wandered away, that there were some distracting emotions or thoughts. That's okay, it's normal. So just kindly, without any judgment, bring your awareness and attention back to the breath and the body, the sound. You may need to do it many times during meditation, just to center yourself, return to the present moment. You are in full control of what's happening, so you can decide to shift attention at any moment to any pleasant sensation, or just rest in the breath. Noticing how the body and mind relax as you simply breathe. And perhaps as you became aware of your body, you also noticed a bit of tension somewhere. As you breathe and stay in the present moment, you can also consciously make an effort to release that tension. You may want to check the area around the eyes, behind the eyes. Release the jaw and let it drop. Relax neck and shoulders. Letting the arms be heavy. Softening the belly, the chest, so that you can take deep breaths fully into your softened belly. Relaxing all the muscles, down the legs all the way to the feet. Noticing how the body feels. Letting the mind slow down the thinking process. Next time when any distraction is appearing, you can choose to notice it and label. Perhaps it's thinking, maybe it's emotion, a sound. After you have noticed, you can then let it pass all on its own. These thoughts, emotions, or sounds, they are like clouds on a blue sky. They come and go. So after they're gone, you can return to the breathing, to the body, and focus your attention again in a way that suits you best to relax and calm the mind. Noticing whatever's happening, perhaps labeling it in some way, and then returning to the anchor of breathing, body sensations or sound. Practicing in silence for a little bit. These thoughts, emotions, or anything that happens, it's possible they are pleasant or unpleasant, or maybe neutral. There's no need to pay attention much to the content, but it could be useful to notice the pattern. It's then possible to work with these less helpful emotions or thoughts in other meditations. But if noticing patterns is too distracting at the moment, you can just rest with breathing, the body, the sounds for a little while longer. Before returning and finishing meditation, let yourself take some deeper breaths again. Perhaps slowly move the toes and fingers. Slowly, gently reopen the eyes if you had them closed, as the light can be quite blinding. I hope you enjoyed meditating with me, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Again, I wish you Happy New Year. We're still in January and it feels like everything's possible. So I wish you all the best. Take care and goodbye.